Ever wonder how top fitness and nutrition brands create personalized meal guidance without requiring a one-on-one consultation? Hi. In this tutorial, we'll show you how health and wellness businesses use a macronutrient calculator to help users discover their ideal protein, carbohydrate, and fat intake based on their goals. Here's how it works. This is a macronutrient calculator by Precision Nutrition. It asks users a series of personalized questions such as, what's your age? What's your biological sex? How tall are you? How much do you weigh right now? What's your goal? How much do you want to weigh? By when, and more. Based on these responses, the calculator estimates the user's daily calorie needs and recommends an ideal split of protein, carbohydrates, and fats to support their goals. Now let me show you how you can create the same kind of experience using Outgrow. We'll begin with the Outgrow AI Assistant. Open the AI Assistant and ask it to generate a macronutrient calculator. For example, you can prompt it with something like, create a macronutrient calculator that calculates daily calorie requirements and recommends personalized protein, carbohydrate, and fat intake based on a user's body metrics, activity level, and fitness goals. Within seconds, the AI generates a complete interactive calculator, including relevant questions, formulas, and personalized result pages. It will then ask if this looks good or if you'd like to make changes, and you can also choose an icon for your macronutrient calculator. But remember, AI is just the starting point. The real customization happens inside Outgrow. Once the draft is ready, head to the Build tab. Go to the Overall Design section to customize your calculator by uploading your logo, updating your brand colors, choosing fonts, and adding engaging fitness or nutrition-themed visuals. Now, take a look at the questions added, such as, what is your gender? How old are you? What's your height? What's your current weight? How active are you during a typical week? And more. You can easily edit, rearrange, or add additional questions, depending on your audience or coaching methodology. Next, you can add a lead generation form before displaying results to capture visitor details like name and email. Now focus on the results screen. This is where the real value comes in. Display a personalized daily calorie target along with the ideal grams of protein, fats, and carbohydrates. You can also include calories per meal, daily water goal, and suggested daily step goal. This transforms your calculator into a powerful lead generation and client engagement tool that provides users with actionable nutrition insights. Once you're ready, click on Go Live. You can share the link directly or embed the calculator on your website, landing page, blog, or fitness portal. And that's how you turn a simple macronutrient calculator into a personalized nutrition experience that educates users, generates high-quality leads, and builds trust with Outgrow. Now it's your turn to help people fuel their goals with personalized nutrition. Ready to get started? Start your 7-day free trial today